Hey everyone, welcome back into a tutorial. In this video I am going to show you how to share your Uber ride with your family. So in this I will guide you one of the easiest way to share your Uber ride with your family, friends or so on. So let's get start our video. First of all, open your Uber application in your mobile device, and before that make sure you are logged in that. So after opening that Uber page, in that you can see here where two options, so tap on that and you have to give that detail about your destination. So after giving that, it will be asking about select your that taxi, whatever you want, you have to select that. So now you can see here confirm pickup option is there, so you have to confirm that. Then it will be asking some option that whom you want to share your that trip status, so who can see, and also select that. And you have to, it will be asking like your family member you want to share or your friend, so you can share them. So in this way you can share that your Uber ride with your family. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below. Thanks for watching this video.